Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the bento box from Yumbox, the one that is called Panino. It has 4 compartments inside and it's good for toddlers going up, even up to around 8 years old, from what I had read. My son is going to be starting childcare next month, so I got him this box. He is 19 months old, but he's not able to open the latch himself because it's a bit hard for him, but by the time he'll be starting kindergarten, he'll be 3 years old, he'll hopefully be able to open the latch by himself. This is just some information that came with the box. Dimensions and the sizes of the compartments, how to pack the food, basic information. Now I'm just opening the plastic. If there are any damages on the box, it's the first time I'm going to be seeing them, so I'm going to be inspecting the box as well whilst I'm unpacking it. And this is the other side of the leaflet. Now it's just information on how to clean it, so how to wash it, and the warranty information, customer service, and stuff like that. Underneath the box there are 4 little bumps so that it will prevent the box from sliding. The plastic at the top, it seems to have like lines on it. I don't know if you can see it. After washing it, they seem to have faded a little bit, but they didn't really bother me, so I didn't make a big deal about it. Inside the box, on the silicone part at the top, it came with a piece of paper. And the design I chose, it's called Bike Race. And basically, they're just bicycles cycling around the thing. My son likes things like this. He likes to point them out. That is why I chose this one for him. The tray comes out. It's flush at the bottom. Over there I saw a mark, but again, it didn't bother me. It was on the underside. The good thing about it, it's easy to wash. The compartments are easy to get the sponge around. The only difficult part is the lip. It's a bit narrow, but you can use a brush easily. And this is just information saying that it's dishwasher safe for the top rack only, and that you can't put it in the microwave. About the recycling information and stuff. The tray fits in the box quite snug. It's easy to remove and put back, but it's not going to like fall out if you tilt it, because it's like a snug fit. The silicone seems to be in good condition. Over here I'm just inspecting it to make sure that the silicone isn't damaged. The hinges were slightly hard initially, but after a few days the hinge became normal. It's easy to open and close. It wasn't as hard as when I first opened it. What I wasn't too satisfied about was the plastic quality on the hinge. Seemed to be a bit cheap. I mean, for the price I paid, I didn't expect it to be like that, but it didn't really bother me. The latch is a bit difficult initially, but it becomes easier the more you use it. The lid, it remains at the angle that you open it at, so if you open it 90 degrees, the lid remains in that position. It doesn't like fall all the way backwards, and that I liked about the box. The size of the box isn't overly large. It is a bit heavy when full of food, but not too heavy. Now I'm just opening the insulation sleeve that I purchased for the Yumbox. It's big enough to hold all sizes of Yumbox. So you don't need to purchase one. If you decide to get the Yumbox Tapas, which is the larger Yumbox for preteens and adults, you won't need to purchase another sleeve because it can hold the size. Here I'm just opening the zip. The quality of the sleeve is quite good. It didn't look like it's going to disintegrate or anything. You can't wash it in the washing machine though, so it's only a surface wipe. You give it a wipe on the outside and a wipe on the inside if necessary, but you don't really pop it in the washing machine. Now I'm just comparing the size of the sleeve to the Yumbox Panino so you can see how large it is. The reason why I purchased the sleeve was because since my son is going to be starting childcare and then kindergarten, I wanted to avoid sending him with a lot of separate bags. So backpack on his back and then the Yumbox in the insulation sleeve so as to keep the Yumbox cold, because the Yumbox doesn't keep the cold, or it doesn't keep the cold. So I bought the insulation sleeve and I put in a thin ice pack inside the sleeve so as to keep the lunchbox cold. The zips are quite easy to open and close, and they're quite chunky as well, so for a toddler it would be easy for him to grab and open and close. The zips open to this down to the sides as well, so it gives you more room to actually open the sleeve to look inside, something I liked about it as well. Even for cleaning, the fact that the zips go down the side, it makes it easier to wipe it clean if necessary. This is just the box it came in. Leak-proof, easy to open latch, kid-friendly, BPA-free. Just basic information. That's what the box looked like from the front. And this is what the box looked like from the back. And this is the side, and this is the back here. Thanks for watching my channel. If you have any comments, feel free to drop a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.